Now, here's a great photo that could be at the top of your website. You know, that first image that people see when they come to your website, and you want to advertise what you do and what you sell with your online workouts. And it might look something like this. And the white writing looks great on the background, but there's some problems because here where these light sticks are, it's not easy to read the text. And if there was any way we could get rid of that, it would make it a lot better. So you can actually get rid of those elements from a picture very easily with Photoshop and with other softwares too. And I just want to show you how to do that today. So if you ever have a decent photograph that you like the look of, but it just doesn't work because of certain elements that are in the way, then you could turn it from something like that to something like that. So it's easier for anyone to read that section of the image. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's start with the original image, which is this. And really simply, we're just going to create a marquee selection area here. And we're going to go to Edit, and we're going to go to Content Aware Fill, and we're going to select the output as the current layer. And we're going to auto generate the information to fill that space, and we apply it, and that's the first one done. And we could have selected two at the same time, so we can select the other one now too. I'm going to get that little white bit there too and get rid of that at the same time, just to show you that it can do that too. So once again, Edit, and then go to Content Aware Fill. Once again, it's this area in green is what it's using for its information to replace the area that we want to get rid of. And as you can see, there's a bit of a preview here. Current layer output, apply, OK, and we are done. And that is it. So if you ever have photographs that you wish didn't have elements in it that you could remove so you could use it to create things like that, then you can do that quite easily.